Hi guys, this is Spencer with MotorInAutoGroup.com. Today I have a 2018 one-owner Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in the bright white color scheme. This one's loaded with all the options. Now I'm going to take a little tour around here and show you the outside of this. These are the premium wheels associated with the Summit, 20-inch on Pirelli tires. Obviously with the Grand Cherokees you can get the touch and go entry as well as remote start. So we hit the lock button twice to start it up right here. Perfect for those cold winter days that are upon us. We got blind spot indicators right here in the mirror. Perfect for when you're traveling down multiple lane highways or the interstate. Like I said, with the touch and go, all you have to have these is in your pocket or purse. Just touch the door handle and this vehicle will unlock. So on the inside you can see we've got premium wood trim as well as leather in the door panels, memory seats, upgraded sound system, it sounds phenomenal. Summit written in the kick panel, power seats on both driver and passenger, upgraded Summit leather interior, automatic headlights, and of course with the Summit you get a suede headliner as well as that panoramic roof that we'll show me more on later. Upgraded surrounding bezels in the trim all throughout the cabin. So we just get in here, put our foot on the brake, hit the start stop button. You see the gauges come to life there. Just over 15,000 miles on this one owner 2018 Grand Cherokee Summit. Now this does have the power adjustable steering column in, out, and up and down. Steering wheel mounted controls in the front and the back. Bluetooth capabilities. You can also stream from your Bluetooth device. Adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance is standard on the Summit. Here you can see the push button start. Leather wrap steering wheel, the premium leather on the Summit, as well as the wood grain on the top makes it that nice luxury feel. 8.4-inch touchscreen UConnect display. Satellite radio built into this. We've got multiple USB inputs, aux input, as well as Bluetooth streaming like I had said before. So you can make calls straight from the controls on the steering wheel, as well as stream anything from your favorite smart device. You got a heated steering wheel, cooled and heated driver and passenger seat. You can download apps such as Yelp, find more restaurants on here. Wi-Fi comes with this one. Navigation built in. And like I said, you can also pair your phone with this one. So this one does have the lane departure warning as well as park assist, and this one will actually parallel park itself. If you want it to, all you have to do is use your controls. You control the foot, feet, and the vehicle that controls the steering wheel. It does have automatic on-off when you pull up to the stoplight to help conserve fuel. There's multiple USB and AUX inputs, as well as the 12-volt input as well. And we're talking about these premium materials here. You see them through all out the cabin of this Jeep. So it does have the air ride suspension to it, which is adjustable. You can move up and down, higher if you're going to go off terrain on that, or lower if you want a little assistance getting out. Downhill assist control, four-wheel low selector, as well as you can tune how this car is going to act depending on where you're going to drive it if you're going to be driving it off-road. Two-stage glove box in this one. 12-volt power input is there as well. See the premium leather that you get with the Summit, as well as the premium wood, the leather appointed dash, and like we said before, the suede headliners that feel amazing. So this one, all Summits are going to have the panoramic sunroof on it, stretches the first and the second rows. And the roll shade will come stop at the middle if you want it to. Or if you keep pressing the button, keep going to the first section as well. So you can really stop that wherever you want, depending on how much sunlight you want in the vehicle. So this one also has the universal garage door built into the control panels here, as well as the power liftgate, post-crash alert, and assist on the built-in on the mirror. As you can see, the premium wood and trim continue to the back. (60/40) split, flat folding rear seat. You don't get any of those weird humps in the middle of trying to store anything in the cargo area back here. Premium floor mats. Second row, heated seats standard, more USB inputs, as well as the standard 115 volt charger like you'd find in your house. Tires are in excellent condition on this one. Rear backup sensors. Backup camera built into the tailgate. Sub back here, another 12 volt charger. Button for the power liftgate here as well. And actually your tow hitch is underneath this panel, so it's nice and recessed and hidden, so you don't have that look of the tow bar hanging out. See the Summit embossed in the leather here. Nice flat folding storage surface. Sunshade is in this one. It's removable as well. If you don't want to use the sunshade, you get more storage area vertically. Same on the passenger side, power seat, the Summit illuminated logo on the kick panel. This one even still has the tags straight from the factory still. That's how well somebody took care of this one. This one is powered by the 3.6 V6 motor that they've been using in just about everything for a long time. Great motor. You can see the front park assist sensors too, as well as the adaptive cruise control and the crash mitigation. You guys can see more pictures of this at motorandautogroup.com. If you have any questions, feel free to call, email us, chat us, whatever. We'd be more than happy to earn your business. Thank you.